What's up guys, Phillips here. In this quick tip, I'm going to show you how I created this nice looking sunset effect with just one adjustment layer. So let's get started. So first what I'm going to do is to bring this out to a new area, to a new workspace, and then I want to duplicate this by simply pressing Ctrl J. So the next thing you want to do is to click on filter, click on render, and then click on lens flare. So actually what I want to do is to position my lens flare on the picture where I want it to display. So I'm going to drag it to this area here, and then I'll click on OK. Okay, next thing I want to do is to delete this by simply pressing delete, and then create a new layer above. So you can click on the create a new layer icon, fill it with the background color which is black. So I'm going to do this by pressing alternate delete, and then apply my lens flare again by clicking on filter, lens flare. And next I'm going to do is to change the blending mode from normal to screen. So I have my lens flare displayed here. And finally I'm going to add my adjustment layer from a new filler adjustment layer, gradient map, and I'm going to add the orange and red adjustment layer. So from here, and I'm going to click on OK. So actually I tweaked this a bit to get the particular colors. So I'm just going to double click on this and save my colors as a new preset. I'm going to click on save new preset here, and then I'm going to apply this over here. So I have it here. So the color codes are this. I have F70000, and then I have yellow for FF600, and I'm going to click on OK. And next thing I want to do is to change this blending mode from normal to overlay, and this does it. So you can reduce your opacity a bit by maybe let's say 80, and this is looking nice. So this is a simple way to create a cool sunset effect. Thank you very much for watching.